Welcome everyone in SV Union High School and Junior College. Our subject today is Civics 8th Standard. This is our continuation chapter 2, the Indian Parliament. Speaker of Lok Sabha. In the very first meeting after the elections of Lok Sabha, the members of Lok Sabha elect a speaker and deputy speaker. Lok Sabha functions under the guidance and control of the speaker. Now, what are the functions of the speaker of the Lok Sabha that we are going to discuss? He or she has to conduct the business of the house in an unbiased manner. Now, unbiased manner means impartial. He or she takes care of the rights and privileges of the member of the Lok Sabha. He or she maintains the decorum and dignity of the house. He or she interprets the rules of a daily functioning of the house. These are the functions which speaker has to do for the Sabha. I am going to repeat. Has to conduct the business of the house in an unbiased manner, takes care of rights, maintains the decorum and dignity of the house, interprets the rules of daily function. Now next unit, the chairman of Rajya Sabha. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. He is not a member of any house. However, he presides over its meetings and conducts its proceedings. During the absence of the Vice President, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha presides over the meetings. The Deputy Chairman is elected by the Rajya Sabha MPs from amongst themselves. Now, we shall discuss the functions of chairman in the Rajya Sabha. He or she maintains the discipline in the house. And next thing is, he or she facilitates the discussions and gives the members a chance to speak. How does the parliament make laws? Now, this is our next unit. How does the parliament make laws? In that, we have to make process to make law. Now, what is law making process? To formulate them, a certain system has been adopted. Adopted means to adjust. Adopted means to adjust with the situation. This system is known as law making process. In that, a rough diagram we have to prepare. That is, this draft, that draft or outline is also known as draft proposal of the law or bill of law. There are two types of bills. There are two types of bills. First is money bill and second is ordinary bill. Primarily introduced in the House of the Parliament, these bills are important in order to convert the act, means laws, bill undergoes following process. Now, which are that process? There are three readings. First reading, second reading. In second reading, again two phases are there. First phase and second phase. And third reading. Parliament have to be followed. All these three readings we shall discuss in following explanation. Now we shall discuss about first reading. The minister of the concerned department or ministry or member of the parliament presents the bill and briefly explains its structure while presenting it. This is called as first reading. Now second is second reading. There are two stages. We can call these phases also, first phase and second phase. First phase, the objective of the proposed bill, they discuss and then they express their opinions with the members. The supporters of the bill give favorable opinions while the opponents discuss the defects and faults in the bill. After the discussion within the House, as per the requirement, the bill is sent to a committee of the House. The committee report consisting of instructions and recommendations is sent to the House in order to make the bill flawless. Second phase, the bill discussed clause by clause. Members can suggest changes. After this, voting is taken in the House. Third reading, the bill is discussed briefly again during the third reading. Voting is taken for approving the bill. If the bill gets an assent by the required majority, then the bill is considered as passed by the House. The bill undergoes the same procedure even in the other House. After getting an approval by both the House, the bill is further sent for assent by the President. If there occurs a difference of opinion between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha over a specific bill, the future of the bill is decided in a joint meeting of both the houses. Now children, we are going to start for the questions. Here I have written on the blackboard. First, fill in the blanks. Candidates to the Lok Sabha are elected through dash. That you will have to find the answers from the textbook. Second, dash is the dash is the separable part of the parliament. Third, bills related to finance are called. Next, answer the following questions. Write the functions of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha that I have shown you in PPT. Then you will have to read it again. You will have to see that PPT again, means you will come to know. Now next, answer the functions of the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Next, complete the web types of bills. How many types of bills that you have to write over here? I hope you have understood till here. If you have any queries, then read textbook again. Thank you. Children, in this lesson we have learned the Indian Parliament, in Marathi, Sansad. We have seen Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, the functions of Rajya Sabha, functions of Lok Sabha, their elections, their powers, control over the Council of Ministers, and many things. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.